Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you this Thanksgiving holiday makeup. So if you would maybe like to learn how to recreate it, just keep watching. With the Morphe 507 brush, I picked up this yellow shade and used it as my transition color to blend it all across my eyelids. Keep in mind that the exact names of everything I'm using will be down in the description box just in case I forget something. Using the Morphe 433 brush, I'm adding this light brown shade to blend it right above that yellow. Then I use a darker brown as well. With the Morphe 431 brush, I add this olive green shade on the outer corners and drag just a little bit of it across the eyelids as well. I try to keep most of the olive green color in the outer corners of the eyes, but then I just go back and forth with the same previous brushes to blend out any harsh lines. And to go between shades with the same brush, I usually use the color switch. To start cutting the crease, I use MAC's Prolongwear Concealer with a Wet n Wild flat brush. Then towards the end, I use a clean flat brush to set that concealer with a white eyeshadow color. Went back in with the olive green shade to blend it into the concealer. And for my eyeliner, I am using my favorite one, the one I always use, which if you've seen my favorites video, you know which one I'm talking about. It's the matte liquid eyeliner in black by NYX. And a holiday glam look is not complete without glitter. So I added NYX gold glitter liner to the cut crease and to the ends of the wings. With the Morphe 431 brush, I'm adding the olive green to the bottom lash line. But to intensify, I used a NYX eyeliner that is the exact same shade of green. For my waterline, I use L'Oreal Paris Black Longwear Eye Pencil. And then right after, I added the KOKO lashes in Goddess. For the inner corner highlight, I used Anastasia's Beverly Hills So Hollywood. And for my mascaras, I always use two different mascaras, so they will be listed down below. Finishing up the look with this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. So we are at the end of the video, and this is the completed Thanksgiving inspired makeup look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions about it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.